Hi everyone, welcome back to GreyBeard Journaling. This is that bonus video I promised. I didn't really promise, but I said I'll try and get out a second time, see where we're up to with the hospitality floor. Have they been working non-stop? We're going to find out. I'll get as close as I can. Please click like, share, subscribe. Be much appreciated. Let's do on the credits. Start flying towards the stands and see what we can see. There's a lot more obstacles in place, so gotta really be careful here. There's nobody on site now, so I'm going to drop down to about 40. Go towards the left, towards the middle section. That's what I'm interested in. It's hard to see the trees now, so I've got to be really careful. Camera down. See what those mobile lighting stations there, so I'm guessing Anfield Road's lights aren't ready yet. We'll go forward a bit more. Bit more. Start dropping down. So I can hover over those bollards, then I know I'm clear. Going about 25 meters. And here we have it. Hospitality. Looks great, doesn't it? It's all ready for tomorrow. Absolutely brilliant. I'm not going to pan across sideways because of all the obstacles. There we have it. Looks fantastic, doesn't it? Seating there also. Start climbing again. I had to put all my piloting skills to the test there. Bad enough in the day, but doing this at night time, absolutely nerve-wracking. But I wanted to bring you that bonus video, and I'm well impressed. We'll have one quick look over the pitch. I'll carry on climbing. So the hospitality, first floor, is all ready for Liverpool Burnley tomorrow. Over 60,000, and it looks immense. Let's fly over the pitch. No wind, there's no rain, thankfully it's gone off, so the city in the background. Liverpool always looks brilliant, doesn't it? So we'll turn around. Go back a bit. Yeah, that screen's still up, isn't it? That's all I wanted to check on, really. So I guess the hospitality box is still not quite ready. I thought Anfield Road might be all lit up. I really did think all those lights were working because they were taking all the mobile stations and parking them in the TV crew area car park. But with those mobile stations we saw when approaching, just goes to show, still not quite ready. I'm going to back off a little bit. That was nerve-wracking, that was, doing that in the dark, but I wanted to get close, show you the best view possible of that first floor, and it is all fully ready for tomorrow. So I think we're going to leave that one there. If you like what you saw, click like, share, subscribe. Be much appreciated, much grateful. I'm probably going to premiere this one early in the morning. I'm not going to put it too close because I released that one video earlier in the day, and this might interfere with the views on that video because it's doing quite well. So I'm going to probably post this one 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning. I'll premiere it, but I probably won't be attending. I'll be asleep, but it'll be there for you guys to watch. Hope you enjoy. Be back tomorrow, hopefully just before the game, walking down Anfield Road, try and get a video up close there, and then we'll see where we're up to next week when work resumes. Wherever you are in the world, enjoy the rest of your day and evening. Don't forget to press that subscribe button. Bye for now.